To build for Bharat, you need to get price right, you need to get product right, and you need to do zero CAC marketing.
इंडिया में किसी को लिखना नहीं आता है तो लोग क्या करते हैं कि हैप्पी बर्थडे चिराग करना हो अगर तो दे विल फॉरवर्ड अ पुराना वाला हैप्पी बर्थडे. राइट, बल्क ऑफ द कंटेंट व्यूइंग इन इंडिया इज ऑन व्हाट्सएप. इनफैक्ट लोग गूगल सर्च भी नहीं करते. मतलब इतना वेंचर कैपिटल देश में फैल रहा है और टॉयज हम लोग इंपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. शर्म की बात है. वी शुड मेक देम. देयर इज अ फाउंडर, आई हैड वर्कड विद हर अर्लियर. शी वांट्स टू बिल्ड शूज ओनली फॉर women who stand all day. I think the magic number is below 150 rupees a month.
We spend about 30% of our time in sleeping, and now the time spent in this chart, we are saying 8% of the time India is now spending on gaming, 56% actually rural. So
Yeah.
that's the other Bharat opportunity, right? Isn't it interesting that all the India One focused businesses that focus on the rich of India actually burn money and are not profitable?
Objective of venture funding
Yeah.
should be you keep iterating till you discover a zero CAC product. Then you should never need venture funding. That's my holy grail. Sweet spots for software in India will be $5 to $10 per pop per month, and sweet spot for content is about $1 to $2 per month.
How are you seeing this AI wave coming in, impact on India 2 audience?
Hi everyone, welcome to a brand new episode of Asymmetric. This is episode 19. I'm joined by my usual partners in crime, Chirag and Revant. And today we have with us one of the OGs of Indian venture capital, Anand Lunia. Earlier started as an entrepreneur with Brain Visa. We share an album at IIM Lucknow, but over the last 15-20 years has actually been one of the pivotal investors through India Quotient, has been an angel, both with Chirag and Revant in their past lives, has backed amazing companies from ShareChat to Sugar to so many more that all of us are going to kind of dig deep on. And the trigger for today's episode actually was Anand and his team's India Insights report, and they published it recently, and just a super rich, intense read. I think Revant, Chirag and I were discussing privately that भाई इसको पढ़ने में तो मतलब कॉलेज की याद आ गई है, because it's a fairly intense data driven read on India. And I think one of the double clicks we want to do is on India 2 and 3, which is Bharat and the opportunities there. And Anand, with that, welcome to episode 19, and thank you so much for taking the time and being a part of the Asymmetric.
Thanks, my pleasure, Shantanu. So yeah,
Yes.
this is the slide. We were trying to describe this through the report. So what we are saying is the problem is not with the Westerners or foreigners. The problem is with the elite Indians. I'm calling them high IQ, but that is intelligence quotient. Elite Indians who try to make out sense of India by reading Economist or meeting founders in Davos. Chirag जाता है जहाँ पे. And of course, meeting politicians who are dressed like VC. Sorry, vice versa.
What is the significance, Anand, of one person pulling the trunk and 5-6 people behind? Are they different people, or it's just
All 5 of them are useless and ineffective. है ना? मतलब तो धक्का मारो या पूंछ पकड़ो, उससे कुछ नहीं होने वाला है.
got it?
तो कहने का मतलब है कि हाथी तो अपने हिसाब से जाएगा. तो basically, so this is sort of the genesis of the report. We are trying to describe कि भाई, people say that India doesn't have money. Indian masses have no money. This is what we see, right? But if you look at Kumbh Mela abhi hua, now people have complained that India is like multiple states and multiple languages and all of that. But if you look at Kumbh Mela, 650 million may not be unique number, but I suspect that 1 out of 3 human beings in the country went to Kumbh. So this is like $30-40 billion of spend in 2 months just in Kumbh. And this is sort of tells you how homogeneous the country actually is. Now, what would be the equivalent of something similar? Diwali spends, Holi तो आजकल बंद हो गई है. But Diwali, Holi, weddings, it's a homogeneous country. If you look at like businesses like Tanishq, 40,000 crore revenue for Tanishq. Right, it's a homogeneous country. I mean, Tanishq showrooms now, there was a time, they are still regional jewelers, but there was a time when, Tanishq was not so big, but now people are becoming homogeneous, right? Either homogeneous, they are already homogeneous when it comes to things like Kumbh, or there are people in the cities who are similar, right? Whether it's a Bangalore or a Chennai or a Hyderabad or a Delhi, सब कुछ same है. सारे बच्चे एक तरह की हैं. And कि भाई if they have money, they don't want to spend the money, right? So you know the reality is that it's the poor who don't have playgrounds, who don't have anywhere to go, don't have access to good education also. They are the ones who are hooked onto the phone, and they are the most likely. आजकल 50 रुपए में आता क्या है? 2 वड़ा पाव नहीं आते 50 रुपए में. But on internet you can get like a decent amount of content in 50 rupees, right?
Yeah.
Lot of thrill. You can't, I mean, to watch a real cricket match, you'll probably spend like 5, 10, 20,000 rupees for a ticket.
Yeah.
I just imagine how much more fun you can have on Dream 11 in far less money. You know?
Yeah.
So this is the problem. Right? Elite Indians, they feel, that they went to Agra and somebody cheated them. तो क्या होता है कि when Indians go to Paris, so there we say कि I was stupid, somebody cheated me. When you go to Agra, somebody cheats you, you blame the businessman. Those guys are cheats. You know, ये हमारा double standard है. And so all Indian businessmen must be cheats, right? Because they didn't go to my college, like my IIT or IIM or what have you, right? And must be cheats. And this is another thing, right? India में क्या है कि एक myth है जो
Correct.
You need to be a storyteller. But यार अब आप हमारे बच्चों को देखो, boss, you expect Indian kids to be storytellers in English, that too. We are not designed to be storytellers, right? In school, that's not our culture and system. If you're actively looking for a storyteller, you actually might get a wrong end of the. And this is another myth. कि learn from the valley. जो valley में बोलते हैं ना कि you make something that you would like to use. अरे भाई, if the country doesn't have enough people like us, right? That's the fact. Anybody who can think of being a founder is so privileged already that he doesn't represent the rest of the country.
Yeah.
Anybody who can read this report or read this podcast, for example.
Yeah.
And, founders need to have pedigree. By the way, ये तो शांतनु को थोड़ा सा, शांतनु don't mind, huh?
No, he doesn't. I have the last 2 years. So last 2 years, the amount of
Yes,
McKinsey
yes,
batches
he has
he gets
hammered him
from
enough.
these-
तो ये, by the way, शांतनु, probably I was the only one who didn't give you money, right?
No, there were many. There were many who didn't give money.
Yeah, बंदे की लिस्ट ले रखी तूने. तो ये प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना कि यार 140 करोड़ लोगों में से a few thousand people who can make it to a good college, you can't limit it, right?
Yeah.
Even countries like America look beyond the elite colleges. Here we don't.
Yeah.
And this is another problem कि ये मोट. यार एक बात बताओ, आदमी जितनी देर यहाँ पे ओला के लिए वेट करता है, उबर के लिए वेट करता है, और जितनी बार उसकी कैंसिल होती है, वो बंदे का क्या मोट है उसके ऐप के अंदर? बिना डिस्काउंट के लोगों ने, मतलब किसके पास में 4 से कम टैक्सी ऐप है? किसी के पास में भी नहीं है ना. एवरीबडी हैज ऑल द एप्स. मतलब हाउ कैन वन ऐप व्हिच इज लाइक few seconds to download, you don't even need to upload a credit card in India. और हर बार
डेटा वो फ्री है अभी. डेटा फ्री है.
ये ऐप जो है ये कहाँ का मोट हुआ, मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. मतलब कि जैसे ना ये हम लोग मोट के बारे में बात करते हैं. GMV ऑफ कोर्स, दिस इज अनदर मिथ, राइट? कि इंडिया में GMV होना चाहिए, क्योंकि GMV नहीं होगा तो बड़ा नहीं होगा कंपनी. जैसे हमारा जोमेटो है, दे ऑल्सो लीड विद GMV. भाई क्यों? मतलब यार, मतलब अब आपको मतलब लिस्टिंग हो चुकी है, इतना बड़ी कंपनी बन चुकी है, अब क्या है, छोड़ दो GMV को. लेकिन जनरली एवरीबडी लाइक्स टू रिपोर्ट GMV हियर. And of course, people don't get the right pricing. So interestingly, this gospel truth, that 70% gross margin होना चाहिए ब्रांड के अंदर. आप मुझे बताओ इंडिया में कौन सा ब्रांड है जो बहुत बड़ा बन गया और 70% ग्रॉस मार्जिन है? But I want to, this is sort of like, this is like the core. The learning is that if you really go ahead and look at the biggest companies in the country, बिस्किट सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है? पार्ले जी. कोई चांस ही नहीं है उसमें 60% ग्रॉस मार्जिन होने का. राइट? पानी की बॉटल ले लो आप, मतलब जितने भी जो भी सारे कोलगेट टूथपेस्ट भी ले लो, राइट? 60% ग्रॉस मार्जिन है नहीं, देश में नहीं है हमारे पास में. हमारा पर कैपिटा GDP इतना नहीं है. तो हम लोग क्या होता है कि मैं भी गया US में, बाय द वे, फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम ऑफ माय ओन करियर, इंक्लूडिंग रेबेल एंड रेवंत, आई हैव बीन बीटिंग देम कि तुम्हारा ग्रॉस मार्जिन बहुत कम है. जबकि द ट्रिक व्हिच फॉर एग्जांपल एज ज़ूडियो हैज शोन अस, इसकी भाई ग्रॉस मार्जिन कम रखो. बिकॉज देखो, मतलब हम लोग एक कस्टमर को देखते हैं, वी सेल 2 things. वन इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स, सेकंड इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ मार्केटिंग, राइट? अब वो अमेरिकन सिस्टम में क्या है कि भैया कॉस्ट ऑफ मार्केटिंग कैन बी 70%, कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स शुड बी लेस देन 30, राइट? हमारे पास पैसा ही नहीं है यार. कॉस्ट ऑफ मार्केटिंग तो वही गूगल को वी कैंट अफोर्ड ना. कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स वी कैन बेयरली अफोर्ड द कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स. how can we afford cost of marketing? Ultimately, तो founder को तो कुछ भी नहीं मिलता है, दोनों में लॉस करना है उसको, है ना? At least there's a chance that you will reach some economy of scale in the lower gross margin business model where you have a half a chance of making some money. So this is sort of what we are trying to
Got it.
We have been coming out with reports every 2 months, trying to, not as regular as your podcast is. So, but we take long breaks for Diwali, long breaks for New Year, and Holi also. But yes, so we basically wrote reports on saying here if we want to inspire founders, to saying this is what you should think of when you're building something, right? So where are the gaps in the market? And also, in a way, sort of, giving a primer to VCs who we expect to follow on in our companies. For example, if Kuku FM is successfully, for example, let's give a statistic, Kuku FM made a 5x revenue gain, now doing about 5 million revenue a month, okay, without burning a lot of money. But the biggest driver for them, of course, there were multiple drivers, a lot of internal changes also. The biggest driver for them was UPI AutoPay. Now, in a country like India, we never really had UPI AutoPay जैसा कोई भी मतलब credit card है नहीं इंडिया के अंदर. So people used to say कि Indians will not pay subscription, right?
Correct.
In fact, even I also lead my report saying that Indians want prepaid. अरे भाई मतलब postpaid करे तो कैसे करे? Where is that infrastructure? UPI को आए हुए 8 साल हो गए. पिछले साल 2 साल पहले उन्होंने इंट्रोड्यूस किया UPI AutoPay, and last year it got stable with most of the banks. The moment you could, instead of charging upfront for a year, let's say 900 rupees in the case of Kuku FM, instead of charging that, the moment you are putting a mandate of 150 rupees a month, suddenly, you are significantly better conversion and more adoption. Now that is something that everybody can use. That's the insight that you can use across.
I saw this data in the report where you showed that it was 900 rupees per annum till 22, then it became 99 per month or 250 per quarter.
399
and now
Revant, 399 per year.
Now it's pay-per-use. They have a lot of pay-per-episode, pay-per-use kind of model.
So they are trying that, Revant. We're trying that.
Achha.
We're trying to add that on top of our monthly subscription.
Interesting.
It's like you're paying for Prime already, annual fee, but on top of it you add some more special movie rentals, right? We do that.
Interesting. And so does the LTV, actually I had this question here, 899 per annum में भी लोग दे रहे थे, but it seemed like the TAM expanded significantly as soon as the monthly subscription picked up.
In technical terms, Revant, I would say conversion expanded.
But Anand, don't you think this is more affordability कि 899 exactly.
ये 899 upfront देना बहुत मुश्किल होता है.
Exactly.
Totally, absolutely. Totally, exactly. I mean,
लोगों को credit मिल नहीं सकता है. Nobody will underwrite from that amount.
Yeah. By the way, most of these companies don't have a refund policy, which they should have had. And even if you have, by the way, nobody will trust your refund policy. So.
And one more thing, I think you made an interesting point that in India, large businesses have not gone beyond 50% gross margin. And I think you speak a lot about, UPI, AutoPay or some of these things. I think or at least you are saying India has seen majorly success for mass brands, right? Which serves across categories, large brand वही बन सकते हैं. Hence, you have to operate on a low gross margin so that you can make it affordable and marketing में कम खर्चा करना पड़े.
Yeah, मेरा method ये है कि what is the pricing where your CAC is 0, because that is the ideal product. We can't afford CAC.
Marketing 0 कर दो. Word of mouth से चलता रहता है.
Affordability नहीं है. मतलब we can't afford marketing. That is the issue. As a country with $2,500 GDP per capita, marketing Google का तो Google का revenue target वही रखे ना, मतलब वो हम नहीं कर सकते हैं, है ना? वो
ग्रॉस मार्जिन ही नहीं है उतना कि अफोर्ड कर लूं CAC.
हाँ, तो Zudio का अगर आप देखोगे, तो Zudio, have you ever seen a hoarding of Zudio? No celebrity endorsement, no marketing, no TV campaigns, no influencers unless they are free, and no performance marketing. By the way, the bloody website is a single page website of Zudio, and you can't buy anything from there. ठीक है? और दुकान में पैर रखने की जगह नहीं है. तो कहने का मतलब ये
नहीं है. I was speaking to someone in Indore, उसके घर के 2 kilometer radius में करीब 4 Zudios ना. So that's the density at which they are operating.
Density, and the beauty is that their stuff is quite good. So it's not sharing cheap stuff and not usable stuff, right? So तो CAC को zero करने का तरीका यही कि आपने pricing इतना अच्छा कर दिया है, you know. And the reality is कि it's, for example, I mean I have another theory कि यार education company, भाई education company में आज अगर IIM को CAC देना पड़ता है क्या? अच्छा product है ना? या IIT को CAC थोड़ी देना पड़ता है? So if you are a good education company which is performing very well, you don't need to give CAC. That should be true for every company. यार हम लोगों ने जब MBA का एंट्रेंस किया था, ठीक है, आप लोग तो थोड़े यंग हो, हमारे टाइम में ब्रिलियंट्स चलता था, ब्रिलियंट्स ट्यूटोरियल्स, zero CAC. They used to give one advertisement in a year कि the courses are open. That's it. Period. If people who gone to IIT, some of the top coaching classes like Agarwal and all, ₹1 का CAC करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. तो एजुकेशन तो वही होता है जिसमें CAC जीरो हो. हमारा मॉडल उल्टा है कि जिस चीज़ का LTV 1x है, एक बार का यूसेज है, उसके लिए भी हम लोग शाहरुख खान को ब्रांड एम्बेसडर लगा रहे हैं. तो अगर आपको उतना CAC करना पड़ रहा है तो इसका मतलब फंडामेंटली समथिंग इज रॉन्ग विद द प्राइसिंग or the product. So this is the, I mean, Arivant, going back here, the monthly was a game changer, right? Of course, the content improved. The other thing that it worked for them at the back end was, I'll come to the audience part also. Back end, they used AI to translate the same content into multiple languages and do much better quality editing and recording of the audio voiceovers, right? In fact,
Got it.
So AI usage से काफी सारा cost कम हो गया. मतलब we are able to like actually buy some Korean soaps which have very like unending stories, convert them into Indian languages, multiple languages, all through AI, and quickly launch all of these things. Not only that, they also use AI to launch a brief primer video, because when people watch the brief video, they make an emotional connection with the story, and then they can keep listening, because in their mind they know these are the characters. So all of that also we use AI to make there. You know?
So I think that's a very interesting point. But isme aap broadly see, I'll tell you why I was so interested in this topic, because most of our viewers keep giving us feedback as comments. I know we have very few viewers, but at least वो feedback देते रहते हैं. And one of the feedback that has come is कि यार आप लोग ना पूरे time India One cover करते हो. And we had Sajid on the pod discussing the
India One
Indus Valley report, which was largely India One. India One में ही VC समझ गया.
India One
में ही
annual report
entrepreneur-
है उनका, venture annual report है. उसका नाम
correct,
है,
right? Because it's also for the global audience, I guess.
yeah. Hey,
And
global
the
audience is
feedback
not
that-
interested in India One, by the way, Revant. Global audience wants to invest in India. We want to invest in India One because we only know India One.
I think we understand it's easier to like आसपास
Of
देख
course,
के
yeah. We live in
हम
India
use
One.
कर
Yeah,
रहे हैं.
absolutely.
Yeah, I mean, so in fact, I remember while we were fundraising for Rebel, sometimes most of the India One VCs used to give us feedback कि ये खाना अच्छा नहीं है, but we said यार
so true.
आपके लिए नहीं है ना, right? ये खाना ये मतलब आप तो actually
Totally
I remember a comment saying ये खाना तो मेरा ड्राइवर खाता है. I'm like यार ऐसे तो मत बोलो करके, खाना तो ठीक है. Just because you don't like it doesn't mean that you have
That's
to
true.
look at it from your lens, right?
There was a restaurant which got funded called Suzette. Yeah.
वो French crepes.
Yes.
Yeah, because I think someone liked the food there.
Yeah.
But I heard an interesting analogy on this, Anand. I asked this question recently as to why does India Point One brands and restaurants get a lot of love, and they said these are the mistakes we are paid to make. बहुत interesting answer लगा मेरे को.
यार मैं तो
कि
zero
it's like
comments
nobody was blamed for buying an IBM. वो था ना वो जो 70s में
Yes,
you would
yes.
recommend an IBM use कर लो तो.
Yeah. So Revant, so I'll give you another analogy. When Uber came into India and Ola raised money from Tiger, there were 15 or ride sharing investments made after that. When you knew कि यार Uber आ गया है, number 2 is already set, Ola, तो अब मतलब बचा नहीं कुछ भी मार्केट में. It's at best a duopoly. Even now it will be a duopoly. The earlier two will die out and Rapido and others will take over, right? तो रहेगी duopoly. मतलब कितने आप रखेंगे आदमी, 4-5 रहेगा, but mostly used to. So, but however, like you said, right? I mean, people just wanted to invest in something which everybody understands. By the way, guys, we are also invested in Sugar Cosmetics, right? It's India One.
Yeah. So my idea is not कि आप India One नहीं करते हो, but there was a lot of feedback saying कि आप लोग यार कुछ India 2 cover करो. So when I saw this report, I got really excited कि यार finally we have some. Because see, we also need. I mean, we are running businesses half the time. We don't know what is happening in India too. So I really enjoyed getting insights on so much innovation happening in India too. And then when I looked at the portfolio, I realized कि IQ by design has really understands India too a little differently. And you also, it's not just that you're talking about it, you put your money where your mouth is by investing in a lot of these businesses, right?
Yes.
And going back to our share chat days, I think you guys were the first pre-seed investor.
Yeah, we were the first investor. The company was actually sort of sitting in our office for first 6 months. And we were working with them to do the first few iterations. And Revan, same comment. People who would open the app and see the content, वो मतलब हिंदी के छोटे मोटे जोक और गुड मॉर्निंग मैसेजेस जो अभी भी आते हैं व्हाट्सएप में आपको, वो देख के लोग बोले क्या है यार, मतलब दिस इज बकवास, राइट? कौन देखता है? Yeah, so that problem was there, and this is where I say that you can't use this Silicon Valley wisdom. You build something that you would love to use. Right? You can't do that in India. In fact, to be honest, we also ourselves also we are not living as investors. We are not really living the India 2 life. Right? Maybe bachpan mein I used to live there, maybe and all of that, but we are living a rather comfortable, very modern Bangalore, Bombay life here. And these reports are in a way sort of, extrapolation from existing portfolio. And I'll give you an example. Lending Card, my younger brother, CEO of Lending Card, he gave us the insight at India Quotient that to the team ki all the borrowers are graduates. Most people are engineers. Their father is a businessman, but they are starting a new business. So they are second generation entrepreneur, but they don't want to join the father's company. Okay? And they understand very well the importance of credit score, etc., etc. They educated borrowers. ये लोग को अगर हमें half of the people would pay up the moment the first legal notice would go there. The moment the legal notice hits their home, half of them will pay up because they are aware कि यार for a 5-10 lakh rupee loan I can't really default and screw the rest of my credit history, right? So they will pay up.
Yeah.
And once I got to know that, then I said कि boss ये व्यापार भी चलेगा because people are willing to do self accounting, right? Because Tally is such a complex software, and I mean these kids, they're younger, they're smarter, and they who wants to pay? The problem is not a Tally ka cost of the software, which is about 25,000-30,000 rupees a year. The much bigger cost is the cost of accountant now. ये जो है ना मतलब
Interesting insight.
कि वो
So what you're
accountant
talking about is Anand, आपके initial India 2 investments में से आपको और insights आते गए and your knowledge
अब ना
on India 2 is compounding.
हाँ देखो पर्सनल
conviction
इंसाइट तो
is
बंद हो गई है
increasing.
अग्रिवंत आना, पर्सनल इंसाइट आना बंद हो गई है. So bulk of the insights come from sitting with founders like you and finding out कि अंदर चल क्या रहा है, कौन पर्सोना है, क्या बिहेव कर रहा है, etc., etc. And I will take a company like ShareChat and split into multiple categories, which is sort of what you've done with local Kuku FM, Friend, etc. And take a company like WhatsApp, for example. Now WhatsApp is the most biggest unbundling opportunity in content you can imagine, right? Even software also. अभी आप देखोगे तो आपका न्यूज़पेपर वाला जो है वो आपको WhatsApp पे बिल भेजता है and you do a UPI payment, right? वो आता ही नहीं आजकल ना. They stop collections, right?
Correct.
Now this can easily be into a subscription software. Maybe the time will come, but that is one case, right? Bulk of the content viewing in India is on WhatsApp. In fact, लोग Google search भी नहीं करते. What they do is they go to some group and they'll post a question there, and somebody will have enough time to answer. So and the thing is कि WhatsApp unbundling is like a content, 2-3 hours of daily WhatsApp time that we spend, right? That can be unbundled. There are software use cases, there are content use cases, there are audio use cases, and all of them can come out. By the way, WhatsApp is a very useful business software. I mean, half of my business is we are a small company, we don't use Slack. So most of it what we do is in WhatsApp. तो अभी हम लोगों ने एक कंपनी इन्वेस्ट की थी 4-5 साल पहले, Slack for construction management. If you're building a house or building a small building, you won't be using complex softwares, but you want to do a issue tracking कि भाई इसका फोटो भेजो, ये क्लोज हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, कितने लेबर आए. उसका आज का क्या है, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बनता है कि आपने घर में कोई भी काम करवाया होगा, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बनता है ना. आई एम श्योर कि most of you have done some kind of construction interior kind of activity. Now that whole WhatsApp group is a separate business software, and they raised $15 million from Excel right after we funded, right? तो ये मतलब ना WhatsApp को अब हुआ क्या कि I got obsessed with WhatsApp, Revant, when in 2012 I visited 2010. Sorry, I visited the WhatsApp ka office. There's a guy called Neeraj Arora. You guys know Neeraj, right?
Yeah.
He's a super angel also. I went and I pitched to him about कि यार ये WhatsApp पे क्या चल रहा है, right? He said कि भाई इंडिया में किसी को लिखना नहीं आता है, तो लोग क्या करते हैं कि हैप्पी बर्थडे चिराग करना हो अगर, तो दे विल फॉरवर्ड अ पुराना वाला हैप्पी बर्थडे एंड विदाउट इवन चेंजिंग द नेम दे फॉरवर्ड इट टू चिराग, है ना, क्योंकि उसको लिखना नहीं आता हैप्पी बर्थडे चिराग, और उसको भी हैप्पी बर्थडे लिख देगा वो, तो उसमें ना काफी कूल सा मैसेज कि हे चैम्प हैव अ ब्लास्ट, ये सब हम लोग लिखते हैं, जो हम लोग अंग्रेजी पढ़ के आए हैं, वो उसमें नहीं आता है, तो वो फॉरवर्ड कर देगा, एक फूल बना होगा अंदर। तो तो वो बिहेवियर था, एंड दैट इज सॉर्ट ऑफ हाउ आई एक्चुअली इन्वेस्टेड इन दिस कंपनी कॉल्ड शेयर चैट, शेयर, ठीक है,
Very interesting.
एंड
Just sharing page use case.
हाँ, and I
Content वहाँ
got
बनेगा and then you can share it in
here. So at some point, bulk of the input side of the content on WhatsApp was ShareChat के through. उसका purpose था कि discover your daily memes on ShareChat and forward it to WhatsApp groups. That was like one of the core features, right? Eventually, they wanted to retain the traffic on their own platform and monetize it there.
I had a question on this chart, Anand. I agree that UPI AutoPay now is a game changer, and a lot of these content companies, क्योंकि पहले हमेशा भाई content monetize नहीं होगा. Now a lot of these Bharat focused, let's call India 2 + 3 as Bharat focused content companies are figuring out monetization, and UPI AutoPay is a game changer. I just wanted to verify these numbers because this is a little mind-boggling for me. That as of December 24, 2.4 million, that is 24 lakh
subscription mandates,
AutoPay. मतलब
AutoPay mandates, yes. भाई
हम बोल रहे
कुकू
हैं
एफएम के 4
30
मिलियन
करोड़,
है, 4 मिलियन तो
30
कुकू एफएम के हैं।
माय गॉड। नहीं, मेरा क्वेश्चन बट यही था कि अगर नेटफ्लिक्स यूजर बेस 30 मिलियन है इंडिया में,
हाँ,
हम बोल रहे हैं 300 मिलियन साल के ऑटो पे ट्रांजैक्शन हो रहे हैं 100 रुपए के अकाउंट पे।
करेक्ट।
इवन बहुत सारे सब्सक्रिप्शन है ना, दैट्स नॉट द ओनली यूज केस। आई थिंक व्हाट इज इवन मोर इंटरेस्टिंग, नंबर्स तो बड़ा है, मार्केट शेयर पे देखिएगा ना, यूपीआई इज क्रॉस 50%, यूपीआई ऑटो पे फ्रॉम अ ओवरऑल सब्सक्रिप्शन पेमेंट मार्केट।
So this also includes auto pay of electricity bills,
वो सब भी तो है ना।
postpaid phone bills, वो सब भी है।
No, but people are getting habituated to this. मतलब
Yes.
30
So
करोड़
this is
साल
my
के ऑटो पे ट्रांजैक्शन इज लाइक मैसिव। 100 करोड़ का पॉपुलेशन है यार।
यार, ये तो I am saying this is the first 3 years of UPI auto pay. अब you compare that with the J curve of UPI itself. That's what I'm trying to say in the second graph on the right hand side.
Yeah.
We are in the first 3 years of the journey.
नहीं बट आनंद, ये थोड़ा कॉन्ट्रा पॉइंट नहीं है, विच लेट्स से यू नो पीपल कीप सेइंग कि इंडिया इज अ लो ट्रस्ट सोसाइटी, सो हमें ये
हाँ।
सब्सक्रिप्शन और ऑटो पे लगाने में बड़ी फाइट होती है।
Who are these people? Who are these people who are saying it's a low trust society?
वी हैव अ multi-billion-dollar कंपनी built on this cred.
हाँ,
Let's create a high trust group, right? So
हाँ,
the thesis is that at least.
why do you call it a multi-billion-dollar company? Like the volume of payments made.
वो फिर आपके
अंतरिक्ष,
Cruise metric of valuation.
आपके जीएमवी वाले मेट्रिक में बताएगा फिर वो।
GMB वाला मेट्रिक वाला, अच्छा। नहीं, इशू क्या है चिराग, कि वो जो लो ट्रस्ट है ना, जो वो 100-150 रुपए महीने का पे करने में किसी को नहीं होता। तो व्हाट वी फाउंड इज, आई मीन एज ऑफ टुडे, आई थिंक द मैजिक नंबर इज बिलो 150 रुपीज अ मंथ। वहां पे वो डाल देते हैं लोग। यस, स्टिकर शॉक इज अ रियल थिंग चिराग, सो क्रेडिट इज राइट इन द स्टिकर शॉक, राइट? नोबडी वांट्स टू put their credit card on auto pay because at least once in your life you heard of somebody getting a 30,000 rupees का बिजली का या कुछ क्रेडिट कार्ड पे चार्ज आए। सबके साथ में एक बार हो चुका है। तो we are and I mean we can't afford these kind of like luxuries of putting credit card on auto pay, right? When for example the moment I got my first exit, मैंने बोला कि एक चीज तो करनी है, आगे से कभी क्रेडिट कार्ड को चेक नहीं करूंगा मैं, मेरे को नहीं 1 घंटा हर महीने नहीं वेस्ट करना है। So that was a luxury I earned for myself of not ever verifying my credit card bill, right? But that was like after I got an exit, not before that. So yeah, but 150 रुपीज तक ऑटो पे आपको मिल जाता है। we have a few companies.
Interesting.
Genre. This is one part. Then
Yeah,
there is the other third
The
trend,
other,
which is micro payment, Revant. Sorry, which is your Dream 11 वाला micro payment. 6,000 करोड़ रुपए का स्टेक हो रहा है साल का Dream 11 पे, माइक्रो पेमेंट से। तो
yeah,
डिजिटल
20-25 रुपए।
या दिस वेल वाला, यस।
Yeah. इसमें the interesting chart I thought was, I was looking at this chart and I was just mind boggled that we spend about 30% of our time in sleeping, and now the time spent in this chart we are saying 8% of the time India is now spending on gaming,
यस,
which is just like
Mind-boggling.
very, I mean, I don't know if it's worrying and exciting at the same time.
Revant, people, my wife, she uses some kind of a puzzle or some word game or something just to pass time, right? We all do that. Well, when I'm sitting in a flight, I don't want to watch a video, I will start playing Sudoku.
Yeah.
वो सभी का ये हाल है कि हम लोग कुछ ना कुछ तो करते रहते हैं ना। दिस इज रेस्टलेसनेस दैट वी हैव, Gaming
Yeah.
is actually a good calming thing to that extent.
And India has been a gaming country, right? A group of 4 or 5 people who always open a deck of cards. Either you're playing some version of Rummy or something. So that's just offline behavior that is now coming online.
Carrom board, Shantanu.
Absolutely.
Yeah, very well put.
Yeah, I think there was this other data point that I was also really looking at, and isme I had a question on net commerce, but online gaming, we are saying about 476 million people doing online gaming, with 56% actually rural. So
Yeah.
that's the other Bharat opportunity, right? 60% of 300 million Bharat users are spending 7-8% of their day on gaming and ready to pay micro payments or at least do some kind
Revant,
of.
I feel
and-
there is a revenue pool of, I would say, on an average a few ₹100 per citizen of India, adult citizen of India. इतना revenue pool है gaming का. मतलब that's like
But
a,
इसमें आपने जो समरी लिखा है, दैट इज
हाँ.
द मेन थिंग फॉर मी कि अभी तक सारा मोनेटाइजेशन गैम्बलिंग में हुआ है, इन सट्टा में हुआ है मोटा
so
मोटा,
far true, which
So
is
far.
true. By the way, Ludo जो Zupi करके है, उसका एक लूडो है, बेटिंग वाला लूडो है, उसमें बेटिंग होती है. But these are like, see, there are some people who have money to blow, right? I mean, how do you, if you're living in a small town, your desire to blow up money on these kind of things is even higher, because when we live in the city, we have multiple other things to do. जो गांव में बैठा है ना, उसके पास टाइम भी ज्यादा है हमारे से, कम्यूटिंग कम है, टाइम ज्यादा है, और खर्च करने के एवेन्यूज भी कम है. तो
पीवीआर
digital
नहीं है
dopamine-
जहाँ पे 500 रुपए का पॉपकॉर्न खरीदना है, वो नहीं, मतलब
हाँ, तो उसका और क्या, रेंट भी नहीं है उसका, तो उसका जितना भी इनकम आता है सारा डिस्पोजेबल है. घर का रेंट तो है नहीं, खाना वाला खेत से मिल जाता है. तो डिस्पोजेबल इनकम वर्सेस रियल इनकम रेशियो इज वेरी हाई फॉर डिस्पोजेबल. सो दे कैन स्पेंड
Interesting.
एंड दे फील लेफ्ट आउट, so they want to catch up with the city. So we have this 2-letter thesis, digital dopamine. That's a thesis. That's it.
Got it.
And the poor
And
need the dopamine more than the rich.
Got it. And इसमें like you're right, if I look at all the gaming companies on Team Patti, poker, cricket, Ludo, etc., all of them are multi-crores in profit. Now there's a new, I think there's a company called Probo that is, I think, not
Also
as much
doing well.
gambling as it's prediction.
Yes,
It's a little bit of prediction science, and that's also again very profitable. So there are now multiple angles through which you could attack the gaming digital dopamine kick that people want.
Yeah, Revant, this is not new for any country. Japan and South Korea, because they had internet 20 years ago, broadband internet, good quality internet. वहाँ पे the first few companies to go profitable and go IPO were gaming companies only. I mean, there was a wave of gaming companies in those countries. So gaming is supposed to be profitable. Gaming में maybe you need $1 million, $2 million of funding to get things kick-started, but that's about it. It should not take a lot of money. In fact, if it takes a lot of money, probably you need to change the business. मतलब पैसा डालने का कोई point नहीं है gaming के अंदर.
Correct.
और अभी भी
Correct.
I feel 20-30,000 crore rupee revenue pool per month is available for gaming.
Wow. But we don't see that many gaming startups nowadays. I don't know why that's still. Maybe वही है थोड़ा वो.
Because everybody wants to do GMV. So, which is why the report is there. I agree with you. So Revant,
Yeah.
gaming sort of most your typical, IIT, IIM, McKinsey graduates, they think gaming is beneath them. थोड़ा सा वो एक hierarchical issue है. मतलब, we'd rather build a brand or a food company or a quick commerce company than do a gaming company.
I
Somehow,
would
These
assume
are the
gaming
cool
would be
things to do.
sexy, no? Gaming would be a sexy business, right?
नहीं, the
Just
gaming
found-
Anand
yeah,
is
yeah.
talking about is for towns. He's saying आप भारत में जाके gaming digital dopamine solve करो, not for the elite. Like for example, I actually saw a few chess games.
yeah.
Right now, Shatranj technically was introduced in India, but most of the chess usage, I think, is still the cool, metro. क्योंकि
But Revant,
you know,
chess
तो-
west में कितने पैसे बनेंगे? I think most पैसा, as you are also saying, is being built in gambling. And then
Yeah,
maybe
yeah.
what Anand is alluding कि वहाँ पर नहीं जाना चाह रहे लोग.
हाँ, Chirag,
So
we
there was
have a
an
company
interesting-
called Ziffy Chess. Quick.
I saw this. I actually played this as well. I like the game.
You done? Yeah. So that's our company.
Oh wow, I didn't know that.
So this is the T20 of chess. 6-move chess.
Yeah.
Starts somewhere in the middle. Okay. And you are done in a few seconds. A few minutes, you're done with the game. And betting hai. हाँ.
Yeah, you will not believe, Anand. I don't know how whether you. There is a game that I got, and it was written viral warning of addiction. Okay, so they play a video. They play a video of a bowler bowling a ball. Okay, and the moment the ball pitches, the video pauses, and you have to say LBW or not LBW.
Oh my god.
Okay, and if you get it right, you go to the next level, and then there's like a whole amount of like people who are able to get it. It is. मैं 2 घंटे अटक गया था उस game पे, and I'm like, boss, this is such a well-made game. But you're right. I think it is such a deeply human thing. I don't know if it's an India thing or a global thing to want to be this digital dopamine. Is just if it's done well, you're right. You don't need a lot of funding to. And if now there's subscription appetite at this 150 rupees or lesser price point, then I think these P&Ls stack up just beautifully.
Exactly. And Shantanu, now even the cost of developing these things, no, with the latest tools that are there, the cost of developing a very high quality game also is not very high. Like you can do it with a team of maybe 7-8 people. That's about it, right? So the only thing is, this is still, there's a power law and it's still a hit and miss, right? Yeah. So you can't guarantee success of a game. You have to keep trying.
Anand, when you say power law, I've heard is that there are very few select users who end up paying. And then is that what you mean? And that ratio is very, very skewed. Let's say we have seen in consumer companies, this is like power law to the power law.
Power law, yeah, there's a like a whale behavior within the gaming thing. And for consumers also, like what Shantanu was saying, every game, it's not like you built a game, you put a lot of money. Yeah, देखो गेम ऐसी चीज है ना, आप कितना भी मार्केटिंग कर दो, you show Deepika Padukone or you show Shah Rukh Khan, nothing will matter, right? Game is something that it has to be inherently addictive, and it's a matter of chance, right? So some game will be addictive because they are, God knows why, but the only formula to find a hit game is to keep trying. Right?
Yeah.
And,
so the studio approach is what, like Zynga, for example, like the studio, you built out multiple games, have like foundation, and then hopefully some of them work, some of them don't, and you kind of do it.
Yeah. So our playbook, Shantanu, there is that you can't really overfund them, right? Because if you give a gaming company a $5 to $10 million seed round, they will then try to grow by advertising and marketing and then somehow forcing a growth. Versus you give somebody a $500,000 or $1 million and say कि ठीक है जो बनना बना लो, तो वो क्या है कि try करता रहेगा. Because they don't have the luxury of spending marketing money behind a bad game. So they will keep iterating and changing the game.
Net commerce, 480 million people. Is this e-com? Like, I didn't understand the term net commerce.
Here,
because everybody, even Nisho talks about 220 million e-commerce users. Like 480 million net commerce.
This may be the number of accounts. May not be unique users. You are right.
Got it.
Yeah.
But maybe...
Yeah, Chirag, you had a question.
Hey, Revant, for authentic data about number of internet users, number of e-com users and all, Indus Valley report will be much more, I would say, better in those kind of numbers. They are very good, very thorough. We are basically flicking charts from somewhere else and trying to get insights out of it, right? So this chart is not ours. This is from somewhere, right?
Got it. Sorry, मेरा एक और question था on, I think you had this data on Friend also that Bharat can afford to pay. Isme I saw that while the monetization has really skyrocketed from as they have done free to paid.
I'll give you. This is the ratio of conversion from free to paid. So 4 years ago, we had 2.5-3% people converting from free to paid. Today, guess what the number is? 30% people convert from free to paid. 30%.
Wow.
And what is driving this? I'm sure it is not just increase in disposable income. I think there is something more, right?
No. So behavior is changing, Shantanu. Behavior is changing and founders are getting better because in a company like this, we can't depend on CAC for growth. So we've eventually figured out what is the right messaging which will prompt people to convert to paid. Right? This is a visceral need. I mean, a boy wanting to talk to a girl is as visceral a need as it gets, right? It's like gaming.
Yeah.
ये तो मतलब वो उसको करना ही करना है, उसको दिख गया अगर. But you still need to solve a lot of things. This team has actually, held back growth for years and years, saying till we reach this level of conversion. So by the way, we stepped on the revenue growth only at 12.5% conversion. And we still kept improving the conversion from free to paid. And today they are about, this company has been profitable, by the way. This company raised $7 million, India Quotient, Elevation and Krafton. And hasn't, I think they have more money in the bank than they raised ever. 7 million raised kiya, bank se zyada hoga. They are doing like a 4 million monthly revenue and profitable.
Isn't it interesting that all the India One focused businesses that focus on the rich of India actually burn money and are not profitable, but जो भारत पे focus थे वो पैसा भी कम raise कर रही है और पैसा भी ज़्यादा बना रही है.
No, very good point. It's a very good observation. I would not say कि India One doesn't have profit pool. It has, except that India One has a tech bro high funding culture. तो वो ना वो टेक ब्रो कल्चर और इतना पैसा है इंडिया वन के पीछे कि वहां पे प्रॉफिटेबल होने का इंसेंटिव नहीं है किसी को. बाय द वे दिस कंपनी नोबडी वांट्स टू टच.
Why?
It's
Because
crazy
it's
nobody wants to touch
it's
them.
dating, online dating type.
It is dating and people are assuming कि there will be some hanky panky, something will be wrong, might be some dirty
Actually,
content.
भारत फोकस कंपनीज में ये हमेशा काफी होता है आनंद की, बिकॉज पीपल डोंट लिव इन भारत एंड दे आर नॉट एबल टू
Can't relate to it.
एक्चुअली
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा तो हाँ दे कैन रिलेट टू इट, थोड़ा सा पैटर्न मैचिंग तो होता है ना
We are,
कि
yeah, pattern
it's
matching तो
easier
चाहिए
to-
ना. Everybody needs a pattern matching. It has to ultimately click in your mind. This will not click.
बट इसमें एक्चुअली हो क्या रहा है कि आपकी पैटर्न मैचिंग कंपाउंड हो रही है बिकॉज आप ज्यादा समझ रहे हो भारत को, बट
हाँ.
द रेस्ट ऑफ द इकोसिस्टम इज स्टिल नॉट एबल टू अंडरराइट
तो
बिकॉज
वही
दे
होना
नॉट
चाहिए
गॉट
ना.
दिस.
तो इसीलिए प्रॉफिटेबल है क्योंकि इसको पता है कि किसी को चमकेगा नहीं तो कोई फंडिंग तो करेगा नहीं. So
Got
they
it.
are like,
Got it.
I mean, so see, at one point, the ideal round will be where everybody says no to you, strong no, and one guy says yes. So nobody will
Yeah.
fund the computer also. That's the ideal situation, right? And most
Yeah.
of
And
these,
actually, bring me, yeah, very interesting point. And to Revan's point also, आपने बोला कि gross margins, 50-60% से ऊपर नहीं है, but frankly, like, if I were to think about my industry, which is FMCG and non-food, right, personal care, beauty, that space, right? आप अगर देखोगे, you look at, HUL, Procter, Colgate, Reckitt, Marico, Dabur, Emami, etc. These guys operate between 10 rupees to 50 rupees as sweet spot pricing in retail, right?
correct.
उस प्राइस पे क्या करते हैं वो 100 रुपए में डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर को बेचते हैं और डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर 125 में आगे बेचता है. आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग दिस इजियर फ्रॉम एन
Correct,
इंडेक्सेशन
right.
स्टैंड पॉइंट.
Yeah.
100 रुपए का
Yeah.
रेवेन्यू रिकॉग्नाइज होता है, 125 का उसका जीएमवी होता है ब्रॉडली. 40
Yeah.
रुपए में वो चीज बनती है, 20 रुपए का मार्केटिंग होता है और 30 रुपए का उसका वो वेयर हाउसिंग और ऑफलाइन सेल्स कॉस्ट होता है विद 3 मिलियन 4 मिलियन आउटलेट्स. दैट्स ब्रॉडली द मैथ फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ दीज कंपनीज, राइट? And
Yeah.
what we are trying to do with converting this business model, and hence they're able to make like a 10-15% EBITDA. What we're trying to do converting this model to India one is now saying कि बस जो 30% offline है, we don't need 3-4 million outlets. We'll kind of substitute it with e-commerce and quick commerce, etc. And then the marketing becomes more Google and Meta, and then that business becomes completely unsustainable and hence unprofitable. And like we don't know why, because we have hopefully the price points are a lot higher, EVs are a lot higher, but it doesn't work.
Yeah.
So sometimes
So-
maybe the scale and spread of India 2-3 is the reason why these businesses are profitable. Yeah.
Shantanu, you are
Yeah.
right. I think somehow our distribution system catering to 140 crore people is far more efficient than Google and Meta, who, by the way, have a very clear agenda. By the way, I mean, 17 years as a VC, across all my consumer companies, every time a company raises money for the same constant advertising budget, their CACs double. हर कंपनी में हुआ है. मेरे किसी फाउंडर को मिल लो आप, because Google and Meta figure out that you raise money, whether you increase the budget or not, they will try to scoop out all the venture capital. So in India, their revenue model is to scoop the venture capital out. What they also understood is कि when you have raised money, you have a pressure कि I want to deliver growth next 3-4 quarters, right? So you will be in a tremendous pressure. So you don't have the breathing room to stop your growth. You will keep burning money, right? So ये थोड़ा you're riding on a tiger, ना? So you can't get off. And Google and Meta have taken that the proper duopoly. इंडिया में तो कंपटीशन कमीशन है ही नहीं ना. मतलब यार आप देखो, मतलब sadly with all good things our government has done, all our senior ministers and even prime minister, they are hobnobbing with the Google and Meta CEOs, right? तो मतलब उसको चांस भी नहीं है कि जस्टिस होगा, because they are outright like exploiting the startups in India. I mean,
But there's a lot of noise on this. I think within the founder ecosystem also, within the content ecosystem also. I don't know whether you're noticing. We actually
Yeah.
did an episode on Asymmetric also around how the Google
nice.
Meta content ecosystem with the Geo Hotstar merger, etc. A lot of this is now strategically looking at ad revenues coming and staying within the borders.
it should be that way. I mean, like just Shantanu, can you imagine we are importing $20 billion of software. Okay, data is the new oil. We are importing $20 billion of software, out of which $3-4 billion of advertising we import, which was we are giving the money to Google and Meta. We have also email. We are the only country which is importing email. साला रशिया भी अपना ईमेल बनाता है, साउथ अफ्रीका भी अपना ईमेल बनाता है, हमारा ईमेल जीमेल पे है. एंड बिकॉज द पेमेंट इज थ्रू क्रेडिट कार्ड्स, $4 बिलियन का ईमेल हम लोग इंपोर्ट करते हैं, किसी को पता भी नहीं है, बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज पेइंग थ्रू द क्रेडिट कार्ड्स.
And what's been your thesis here कि इंडिया का let's say मेटा इक्विवेलेंट क्या है, होना चाहिए नहीं होना चाहिए? आई नो यू हैव सेड ऑन वन साइड इंडिया में कैक वाली कंपनीज ही नहीं होनी चाहिए, सो मार्केटिंग बजट ही नहीं होगा तो जरूरत ही नहीं है, प्रोडक्ट शुड इटसेल्फ बी वायरल.
Chirag, it is so difficult right now to build a company like ShareChat. You need to do marketing on Google and Meta, right? I mean, it's a loop, and they will not let you create a competitor. Yeah, उसी का Android है, उसी के सिस्टम पे आप हो, right? उसी का WhatsApp है जो वही आपके फ़ोन को bloat करता है. तो हमारा क्या होता था कि WhatsApp will bloat your phone and people will uninstall ShareChat. ये सीधा इक्वेशन था. You know Roposo, Chirag, right? I mean the Roposo founders, they had this thing कि यार मेटा और गूगल ने हैंडशेक कर लिया है, तो क्या होता है कि व्हाट्सएप फोन को ब्लूट करता है, देन पीपल अनइंस्टॉल एवरीथिंग बट व्हाट्सएप, ओके, एंड गूगल मेक्स मनी अगेन. So these are some kind of arrangement that they have at the back. This is like, I mean, we can't really have a content ecosystem unless there is a little bit of a government support and encouragement. Founders will not even imagine.
आनंद, वो बात तो ठीक है, बट लेकिन वी हैव सीन सम ऑफ दीज लेट्स से चाइनीज कंपनीज कम एंड स्टिल स्केल, राइट?
Yeah, you're right.
वो तो हुआ है ना, in the same
हुआ है.
ecosystem where Google was there, Meta was there, then TikTok came and suddenly became the number 2 app.
हुआ है. Yes.
So
हुआ
then,
है. And can be done. ShareChat tried doing that. The market found sadly the funding. But by the way, guys, I don't know if you know that ShareChat is doing 100 million of revenue and is profitable now.
Wow.
100 million proper revenue and profitable. They have beaten the hell out of their costs of hosting, etc., and we are back on the growth path now.
Wow.
super.
Yeah.
And
मतलब
primarily these brand
cash flow
advertisement revenue.
positive है, मतलब खाली EBITDA ही नहीं, cash flow positive है. Advertising revenues and services revenues. So some of the things like audio rooms and Astro Talk and all of that happens on ShareChat also. So they have started the services within.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Actually, I saw that and I wanted my last question. Sorry, I've spent a lot of time scouring through this amazing report. I saw AstroTalk making 200 rupees per month. I wanted to understand, would you have an idea of the LTV? Like,
Yeah,
12 महीने का
AstroTalk-
LTV क्या होगा इसका?
Revant, I had met the founder recently in an event. So by the way, that company escaped the venture funnel entirely. It's profitable. Okay.
Yeah.
I heard a number of 1,400 rupees a year, but I might be wrong because I don't have I don't have access to the data. But I heard in a presentation where these guys make a rare appearance, right? Or ये venture कोई भी venture fund
Yeah,
है नहीं.
phenomenal, right? But like,
Yeah, so
yeah.
it's like a physics वाला kind
What
of
I
story.
liked is 20 रुपया पर मिनट दे रहे हैं लोग टू टॉक
Yeah.
टू एस्ट्रोलॉजर.
Yeah.
महीने का 200 रुपए खर्च कर रहे हैं, बट इफेक्टिवली साल में 1400 रुपए दे रहे हैं, which is phenomenal because the volume that they have is phenomenal.
Again, to repeat, I might be wrong. We have another company called Clarity. Clarity में, if you had a tragic experience or any experience in your life and you want to share with somebody, for example, you lost a parent or flunked an exam or got separated, lost a kid, they will connect you to somebody who's gone through a similar experience, right? And is an empathetic person, not necessarily a trained therapist, but has enough empathy, good listener. That listener you pay like a 1 rupee per minute onwards, right? दबा के चल रहा है. Profitable company, founders are sitting out of Jhansi, IITians, and doing like a $1 million of revenue per month and profitable.
Wow.
Go figure. Like, I mean, crazy.
All
right?
the insight was that there is no shared experience for trauma, basically.
Yeah. So no, this is basically digital dopamine. मतलब insight is this कि एक एस्ट्रो टॉक है, वो भी वही है, डिजिटल डोपामिन है, और कुकू एफएम भी वही है, और क्लैरिटी भी वही है. इन क्लैरिटी एंड एस्ट्रो टॉक यू टॉक टू अ रियल पर्सन. कुकू एफएम यू लिसन टू अ स्टोरी.
Got it. And is there a reason you think these are more Bharat focused? Like, ऐसा तो नहीं है कि बॉम्बे में if I go through a trauma of let's say losing a loved one, I will not need an empathetic person to
बॉम्बे
connect
में
to.
है ना भारत, लेकिन बॉम्बे के गेटेड कम्युनिटीज में नहीं है. बॉम्बे में भारत तो है, मतलब पूरा का पूरा बॉम्बे भारत ही है. They are, see,
And you think it's
by
the
way,
taboo thing? Like we are too worried about the.
we will rather look at a therapist. You're right. We will actually go to a therapist and we want like somebody to be qualified, maybe a MD degree, whereas most people can't afford that, and they have a taboo. So people, particularly people who are immigrants, people who used to live in a village, came to Bombay for a job, they are actually the people who need all of these things most. कि भाई आप
Because the
गाँव
family
आप-
connections are not that deep.
हाँ, सिटी में रेवेन्यू है तो वो इंडिया 2 रेवेन्यू है, बिकॉज गांव भी छूट गया ना आपका, तो घर बार छूट गया, तो आप करोगे क्या दिन भर, है ना? आई मीन Of course.
Very
See, there is
interesting insight.
the highest digital dopamine is free porn. But like what? You have like so much time for yourself.
Very interesting insight. Like the immigrant population within cities is also a large use case for some of
So,
these.
Revant, I'll give you an example. There is a founder, I had worked with her earlier. She wants to build shoes only for women who stand all day. Now, just think of it, right? This is not a profile that India One will connect with. India One wants to sit. There's a laptop class.
Yes.
है ना, जो Elon Musk बोलता है laptop class.
Correct.
वो बैठी रहती है. But
Yeah.
bulk of the working
Correct.
women, whether nurses or sales girls or
Or even
restaurant
the assembly lines of now these
teachers, they keep standing
teachers.
whole day, right? So
massive.
90% of working women actually are standing whole day, right? And they can't afford. By the way, they can't afford Skechers. Skechers can be game changer for them, but they can't afford. They
Correct.
can't afford a premium brand like we can, है ना? तो उनके लिए जूते की बहुत बड़ी मार्केट है. और वो अभी हमारे सारे फाउंडर हैं उनको स्नीकर बनाना है इसी के लिए जो लैपटॉप क्लास है जो बैठी रहती है.
But
जो
outstanding insight, yeah. Like outstanding insight. What a I mean, like I would love to put a check if you are.
Yeah, well,
or if you
I'll
would connect.
let
I
you
mean,
know. She's
so
based in
exciting
Bombay only. Yeah,
to just think, yeah.
this is like a very fantastic market कि कहाँ से market पकड़ा है ना.
Yeah.
Yeah. और by the way, इसका
No, I
जो
actually feel bad कि like इतना obvious insight है क्यों नहीं सोचा किसने अभी तक करके
हाँ
कितना
अभी
बड़ा use
इशू
case
क्या है ना, इशू क्या है कि एकदम कंफर्टेबल स्नीकर you and I might pay 6,000 rupees, right? These girls they can't afford more than $1,000, 1,200 तो हो गया, maximum हो गया, right? They mostly they might be wearing a 300 रुपए का चप्पल anyways, so they can upgrade to 1,000 rupees if it is comforting.
Yeah.
But that's it. उससे ऊपर नहीं जा पाएंगे ये लोग, right? अब फंडा ये है ना कि people we know would rather commit suicide than launch a 1,000 rupees sneaker. कि किसी को करना नहीं है ना.
उसमें पैसा नहीं बनेगा, ग्रॉस मार्जिन बहुत कम है.
ब्रैग बर्दीनेस नहीं बनेगी.
हाँ आपका आप
अच्छा
देखिए,
इंडिया में हम स्टेटस
देखो,
बेचना चाहते हैं
अभी
तो फिर
अभी हल्दीराम का देखा ना आपने, क्या वैल्यूएशन है हल्दीराम का?
करेक्ट
राइट, $10 बिलियन.
$10 बिलियन.
अब ये बताओ कि कौन सा बंदा हम में से यहाँ पे कौन सा बंदा हल्दीराम शुरू करेगा? नहीं करेगा. वो मेरे मतलब हमारी फैमिली ना बोल देगी पहले ही कि ये नहीं है, ये क्या बकवास है, और इसके लिए शादी करेगा तो हल्दीराम का होगा, तो मतलब नहीं चलाना किसी को.
Me, Shantanu and Chirag are all angels in this founder and food masale बना रहे हैं and you know a lot of investors had pinged and then passed and today one of the investors said कि यार बात करनी है. ये तो ask question कि यार आप तो 2 बार बात कर चुके, दोनों बार पास किया, अभी फिर से क्यों बात करनी है? and they said कि यार आपका AOV इतना कम है, हमने सोचा ग्रॉस मार्जिन कैसे. exact same discussion. तो उसने बोला यार
और
AOV
उसका
तो
एक्चुअली
over
में
time
वो
figure
पुल वाला प्रोडक्ट है कि मार्केटिंग करनी नहीं पड़ रही है. मतलब वेरी
वही होना
actually it's a zero mark. yeah you're right. I just exactly यही याद आया
The
मेरे को.
objective of venture funding
Yeah.
should be you keep iterating till you discover a zero CAC product. Then you should never need venture funding. That's my holy grail. Never
That is
happens
such
that
a
way.
beautiful way to explain it. That is such a beautiful way to explain it. नहीं, I also feel like, for example, shoes वाला जो example आप बोल रहे हो ना, see क्या हुआ है, like a lot of technology and R&D, especially in consumer, like look at athleisure, shoes, Nike, all of that happens for use cases in the US or in Europe, and वो चिपका देते हैं इंडिया में, like, and you'll usually see a Darshan bhai who comes out and says कि अपने को नहीं चाहिए यार deodorant, India is a sweaty market, we need like fucking perfume in cans. वो Indianized भारत के लिए जो insight है वो चाहिए. So shoes, for example, I'm sure these women don't need bouncy shoes to run like 10-kilometer races in an hour and all. They just need very different kind of technology. But shoes is a complex, technologically complex product. So banana, someone has to do it.
Actually, you need to go deep into the supply chain to figure out these things, right? I mean, you ideally, by the way, that's the other problem, Shantanu. You not just shoes. We feel that bulk of the brands eventually need to sort of directly or indirectly own manufacturing also. नहीं तो इनोवेशन नहीं आएगा आपका, तो इकोनॉमी ऑफ स्केल नहीं आएगा, इनोवेशन नहीं आएगा अगर आपको ओन करना पड़ेगा. मतलब this is something that Rebel Foods did quite well. They actually tried to re-engineer the whole cooking process, right? They were not saying कि I will do whatever other fast food chains are doing. They engineered the whole thing, cuisine by cuisine, item by item, पूरा engineer किया. और आज भी शायद काम बाकी है उसके अंदर, वो आपको ओन करना पड़ेगा वरना नहीं होगा. Go very deep into.
I think what we saw, let's say 1980s by Maruti, कि यार पूरा re-engineer करके तभी 1 लाख रुपए की गाड़ी बनेगा. I think वो तब से true है कि if you want to like manufacture deep PMF India product.
Chirag, they were skipping a left hand side का mirror. मतलब left hand side का mirror जो था ना, वो move नहीं होता था. उसमें fix डाल दो. तो ये हाल था, इतना कॉस्ट इंजीनियरिंग करने वाला।
नहीं अग्री,
बहुत
मैं वहां पर था 2 साल, मैं बता रहा हूँ. देयर यूज्ड टू बी अ रूम, देयर यूज्ड टू बी एन एक्टिविटी, समथिंग कॉल्ड इन जापानीज, वेयर दे यूज्ड टू राइट दीस कॉस्ट कटिंग आइडियाज. वन ऑफ द
हाँ
आइडियाज व्हिच गॉट इंप्लीमेंटेड वाज टायर के पीछे जो है ना पेंट होता था. एंड समबडी सेड
हाँ
ये टायर के पीछे क्यों पेंट करते हैं हम. हटाया और उससे कुछ 2 करोड़ का सेविंग हो गया. पीछे तो दिखता ही नहीं है.
सही है।
सो 2 रुपए कम करके द कंपनी इज लाइक सो गुड.
But that's what is happening also now with this BIS and a lot of this forced, localization of manufacturing. We will see. I think the government push for us also, where we are seeing it now, that in shoes we are seeing it, within our category we are seeing it. कि अभी वो
Toys.
force Indian entrepreneurs to make, वो
यार
कुछ तो कुछ करके कर देंगे उसको.
शांतनु, इट इज सच अ शेम कि इंपोर्ट टॉयज मैन, कम ऑन, लाइक मतलब शर्म की बात है, मतलब इतना वेंचर कैपिटल
Yeah.
देश में फैल रहा है और टॉयज हम लोग इंपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. वी शुड मेक देम यार, वी हैव टू मेक टॉयज.
But Anand, toys making तो is not taboo. उसमें क्या problem है? Why are, let's say, people not interested in making toys? क्या
वी रोड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग रिपोर्ट, चिराग. तो टॉयज के अंदर ना और शूज, व्हाट शांतनु वाज डिस्क्राइबिंग, यू नीड समथिंग कॉल्ड मोल्ड्स. Okay, these molds are made in China only, and they are expensive. So there is an upfront investment in a mold which can go waste if your toy doesn't work, right? And Indian small businessmen, manufacturers don't want to invest in the molds. So we actually proposed, and I mean, of course, we are not a policymaker or anything. We said that if somebody is to subsidize something, you subsidize the shoe molds, the toy molds, those kind of things. और यहाँ पे मोल्ड का फ्री बनाने का फैक्ट्री डाल दो, या मोल्ड इंपोर्ट पे आप ड्यूटी व्यूटी हटा दो. अभी क्या है, मोल्ड आता है उस पर ड्यूटी लगती है, तो ये सब थोड़ा सा मतलब you need to solve a little bit of these things. By the way, mold, actually, see, working capital can be big hassle for any small business, right? I mean, you guys deal with small businesses in your businesses. They are very sensitive to working capital, upfront investment. They will treat it like a money चला गया, मतलब खत्म हो गया ये तो, मतलब recover unless they have a proper order, they will not invest in a mold.
अच्छा, इसमें सॉरी आपके चार्ट, आपके इसमें ना ये डेटा था which it's false for this. Play, Shifu, Miko, and Skillmatics you have covered as toys, large outcomes we receive funded. All of them are focusing on the US.
Yeah,
सारा इंडिया टू यूएस है, तीनों इंडिया टू यूएस है. Play, Shifu, तो
correct,
I think exited also.
correct.
Skillmatics is close to 100 billion revenue, 10% EBITDA, all US.
So Revan, ये
Like
क्या है ना
some
कि
reason we are
some reason we are, I'll tell you, all my friends, I graduated in 95 from my engineering college, and then went to IIM and graduated again from 1998 from there, right? All my batchmates wanted to go to US. बोले वतन जाना है, मतलब वतन मतलब यूएस जाना है, ठीक है. तो एवरीबडी उससे कि वतन जा रहा हूँ मैं, है ना, कि मतलब वतन जा रहा हूँ, यूएस जा रहा हूँ यहाँ से, इंडिया से, है ना. तो यार ये आज तक है हमारे अंदर कि वही जो भी है वहीं पे ही है, मार्केट भी वही है, लाइफ भी वही है, डॉलर भी वही है, फंडिंग भी वही से आ रही है. तो इनहेरेंटली हम लोगों ने लिख दिया है. मतलब अब मैं एक और एग्जांपल बताता हूँ जो रिपोर्ट के अंदर में भी है. हमारी पिछली रिपोर्ट में ज़्यादा डिटेल में था सैस का, राइट. तो वी बेसिकली सेड कि द ओनली प्लेस टू बिल्ड सॉफ्टवेयर फॉर इज टू बिल्ड फॉर अमेरिका. सॉफ्टवेयर सैस बनाना है तो अमेरिका के लिए बनाओ, वरना मत बनाओ, है ना, मतलब डोंट डू इट, राइट, मतलब राइट. My founders who are building software for India have been actively discouraged by tier 1 whatever quotes वाला VCs कि क्यों बना रहे हो इंडिया के लिए, राइट. तो यूएस के लिए बनाओ, वहाँ बहुत बड़ा मार्जिन है, बड़ा मार्केट है. तो क्या हो रहा है कि यहाँ पे स्मार्टेस्ट पीपल इन इंडिया आर ट्राइंग टू मेक द 15th और 17th CRM सॉफ्टवेयर फॉर अमेरिका, ओके, एंड सेइंग कि मैं प्राइस कट करके वहाँ पे बड़ा हो जाऊँगा. तो यार ये तो मतलब गलत यूज ऑफ टैलेंट है ना. वेयर एज द स्लॉट फॉर नंबर 1 अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर इन इंडिया इज ओपन, स्लॉट फॉर नंबर 1 पेरोल सॉफ्टवेयर, स्लॉट फॉर नंबर 1 मार्केटिंग ऑटोमेशन, सब कुछ खुला है. एंड जस्ट इमेजिन इफ इंडिया इज गोइंग टू बी 3 ट्रिलियन व्हाटएवर नंबर 3 इकोनॉमी इन द वर्ल्ड, हमारे लिए भी सॉफ्टवेयर चाहिए ना. कौन बनाएगा हमारे लिए? वी कांट यूज सिलिकॉन वैली सॉफ्टवेयर, वी कांट अफोर्ड देयर प्राइसिंग. तो somebody has to build for us. I mean, for example, all of these brands, यार आप लोग सॉफ्टवेयर तो बेच रहे हो, चिराग is selling a software, right? And for example, companies like yours or Shantanu's, if these companies become big, they will need software. And you can't afford Salesforce, by the way. Right? $150 का एक आदमी का एक सीट का है यार, मतलब पर सीट पर डॉलर कहाँ अफोर्ड होगा? And you will need CRM.
Yeah.
You will need CRM. You will need a lot of things. Today, most of us actually don't use enough software, right? In India, even brands don't use enough software because they find the cost too much, software too complex. And somebody will build, and those categories are open, by the way, even now open. And I would, in my mind, I'd rather fund the number 1 category leader of India, even if it's a smaller outcome. वो तो सभी कुछ स्मॉल ही है ना. मतलब देखो ब्रांड में भी आजकल मतलब 500 करोड़ में भी पानी निकलता है नाक में से. लाइक आई हैट्स ऑफ टू एनी ब्रांड फाउंडर हुज क्रॉस 100-200 करोड़ रुपीज है. मतलब बहुत बड़ी बात होती है 200 करोड़ रुपये रेवेन्यू करना इंडिया में. वो भी मोस्ट ऑफ योर प्रोडक्ट्स आर आल्सो प्रीमियम, राइट? मतलब आप अच्छा हाई ग्रॉस मार्जिन का, उसके बावजूद भी आप 200 करोड़ रेवेन्यू करते हो आराम से. देयर इज दिस कंपनी कॉल्ड रेनी कॉस्मेटिक्स, राइट? मतलब वो उसका ग्रॉस कम होगा, राइट? तो दे हैव रेस्ड टू दिस revenue faster because they keep prices low, right? But smart guys, I mean, they started like much after any of the cosmetics companies. In 4-5 years they've done quite well, right? But it's not trivial.
They're ex-founders of Beardo. They
Yeah.
learned in that process कि ऊपर वाला गेम से बेटर शायद नीचे वाला गेम है.
हाँ, लेकिन यार
विलन भी किया उन्होंने.
हाँ, पर यार ऊपर वाले गेम में भी 500 करोड़ रुपए रेवेन्यू जैसे मिनिमलिस्ट ने किया है. हमारा जीवा है वो 65 मार्जिन है, सिल्वर ज्वेलरी. In 5 years flat 500 crore rupees revenue. FY25 का रेवेन्यू 525 करोड़ 5 साल के अंदर, राइट? अब वो मतलब इट्स अ फ्रीक ऑफ नेचर ना, मतलब वो होता नहीं है बार बार, लाइक वेरी टफ. बट इफ दिस कैन हैपन इन इंडिया, सॉफ्टवेयर का भी आएगा यार. क्यों? वही तो सही भी तो आदमी है ना. मतलब जो आदमी, अभी हमने जो माइक्रो पेमेंट की बात की, जो आदमी गेम खेल रहा है, जो आदमी फ्रेंड कर रहा है, कोको एफएम कर रहा है, नेटफ्लिक्स कर रहा है, वही आदमी सॉफ्टवेयर भी ले रहा है. आदमी तो सेम ही है. मतलब उसका क्या बिहेवियर चेंज रहेगा? मतलब all these kids who are, see, in 2017-18 when the Indian government forced internet, and not forced but effectively it was forced on normal citizens कि भाई you have to have an Aadhaar ID, you have to have UPI, you have to have online banking and pay your GST online, pay income tax online. जबरदस्ती हो गया है ना. अब उसके अंदर all these 45, 50, 60-year-old people were being helped by the teenager who Kunal Shah calls family CTO, है ना. तो हमने family CTO बहुत चलाया. तो नाउ माई थियरी इज कि 7 साल हो गए उस बात को, वो फैमिली सीटीओ हो गया बड़ा, और फैमिली सीटीओ अब आ गया फैमिली सीएक्सओ, एक्चुअल सीएक्सओ बन गया वो बिजनेस के अंदर, है ना. तो अब वो जो बच्चा था फैमिली सीटीओ, जो डिजिटली नेटिव है, जो ऑलरेडी डिजिटल लाइफ जी चुका है, वो अब बिजनेस डिसीजन लेगा. जब दे विल एंटर वर्कफोर्स, दे विल एंटर स्मॉल बिजनेसेस, मिड साइज बिजनेसेस, एंड यू नो, फॉर एग्जांपल इन every family owned business of good size, we are seeing the younger generation coming and adopting technology. You know, and the parents also are saying here this girl or boy is better off leading a technology initiative, right? Because we need technology, we need to understand. तो ये हो रहा है हर जगह पे because they are native digitally.
But इसमें you know, at least my understanding of India has been कि India pays for software which are revenue enhancing. आप उसके अराउंड भी are you seeing things change that are people starting to recognize कि नहीं यार efficiency के लिए भी दे देते हैं, क्यों बंदे रखने हैं?
See, revenue enhancing was true in an economic cycle where we were booming, right? Today if you look at it, today revenues are not growing. मतलब आप निफ्टी की कंपनीज देख लो, हमारी हालत देख लो यार, फैशन के अंदर, मतलब हमारी कुछ कंपनियां हैं जो ब्यूटी के अंदर लास्ट फ्यू ईयर्स हैव नॉट बीन वेरी वेरी गुड, ओके, इकोनॉमी वाइज, राइट? सो कंपनीज आर नाउ सेइंग कि भाई रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ तो लिमिटेड होगा, वी नीड टू स्क्वीज प्रॉफिट आउट. तो सॉफ्टवेयर एक ऐसी चीज है जो दोनों में काम आती है. रेवेन्यू के टाइम पे रेवेन्यू का चलेगा और कॉस्ट के टाइम पे कॉस्ट का चलेगा. बाय द वे चिराग, the cost of manpower, right? The salary of a driver, which used to be 3,000-4,000 rupees 20 years ago, has now become 30,000 rupees. Salary of a maid, salary of a blue collar worker, salary of an accountant, all of these numbers have grown 5 to 10x in the last 20 years, right? So manpower is very expensive now. You can't throw people at a problem. By the way, security guard और camera के अंदर आप देखो, एक प्लांट के लिए will you have 20 security guards or 3 guards and a lot of cameras? It's a very easy decision today. Because आज सिक्योरिटी गार्ड का जो पहले ना सिक्योरिटी गार्ड का भी 3,000 रुपये होता था बेचारे का, अब वो 3 शिफ्ट में आप सिक्योरिटी गार्ड लगाते हो तो बहुत महंगा पड़ता है आजकल.
Yeah. I think what ends up happening is I remember you know quote reading this or somebody telling me this also कि इंडिया में जब ROI की मैथ्स होती है ना from a cost efficiency, तो people end up saying मेरा ROI तो ठीक है but I don't feel like paying you so much. You know, मेरा ROI है but लेकिन why should you make profit out of it?
Chirag, that will be true. That will be true. So people will expect software to do a 10x improvement. That is true, right? They want a substantially high ROI. But I'll give you another problem. All of us, instead of doing a subscription, monthly payment, जो अभी हुआ है, हम लोगों ने बोला है सॉफ्टवेयर एक साल के लिए ले लो. तो यार वो अपफ्रंट में वो उसको वो वहाँ पे रिस्क लगती है. ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम वो है कि इवन व्यापार फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी आर राइट नाउ सेलिंग व्यापार एट अ एवरेज ऑफ 4,000 rupees for a year upfront, right? But now I'm expecting the founder to very quickly go to monthly payment and we will see a magic again there. Because you are right, 4,000 रुपये upfront देने में तो दिक्कत है ना. मतलब जैसे हमारी एक कंपनी है चिराग, FleetX, is a tracking of fleet, right? So there is a company called Samsara in US which puts a small device in every truck and then tracks the truck at a macro level, driver behavior से लेकर के maintenance and what is where everywhere. We are 10 times cheaper than Samsara, right? As good. because of course our telecom rates and telematics rates are much cheaper in India. Broadband का rate कम है, तो वो एक chip वाला device होता है हर truck के अंदर. Yeah, cement companies and all the traditional companies are paying them. They are not revenue enhancing. Right? You simply control your goods in transit largely and your logistics. It's about money saving. It's about eventually indirectly it saves revenue because goods reach on time and all of that. But companies are paying millions of dollars to them. Each company. मतलब एक ही company millions of dollars दे रही है. We expect, by the way, we have like top cement companies in the country as clients of Fleetex. We are expecting every cement company to give us tens of millions of dollars of revenue. They just started.
Wow.
तो देगा मतलब उसको because for them they can't afford American software anyways. मतलब यार देखो वो समसारा जो है वो $150 पर मंथ का है, ठीक है, उतना तो एक बंदा बिठा दे एक्स्ट्रा ट्रक के अंदर, तो वो तो अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाएंगे हम लोग. तो आपको चाहिए लोकल प्राइसिंग, राइट? तो द स्वीट स्पॉट व्हाट वी बिलीव इज sweet spots for software in India will be $5 to $10 per pop per month, and sweet spot for content is about $1 to $2 per month. ये अभी तक मोटा निकल के आया है हमारे लिए.
I love this. Actually, on that note, I just wanted to do a special shout out to two of our audience members who put comments on the last week episode, because Anand, just for your benefit, last week we did an episode because somebody on the previous said कि यार बहुत लोग India to US कर रहे हैं, उस पे कुछ ज्ञान दो. तो we called someone, we discussed India to US, and उसी पे दो comment आए. One from Jatin Gupta saying why do we need to build India to US? Doesn't India have its own problems? And a more detailed comment from Alka Vora, who said thanks, great session, but 70% of our population is rural, semi-urban, and why is it that most startups are not focusing on this, right? They're only focusing on the top 10%. Most of the growth will actually come from catering to this. So I really love the fact that most of our conversation today is giving a true insight into what is it to build for Bharat as such.
I think the one thing that I'm taking away is that to build for Bharat, you need to get price right, you need to get product right, and you need to do zero CAC marketing. I think that is fundamentally what I have taken away. Like if I were to think about it,
good summary.
it is so fundamentally different from.
Yeah. You should.
Sorry,
make
Anand,
this
I
a-
interrupted you.
we need to make a clip out of what you said and run it endlessly, because ये बहुत लगता है सिंपल है, लेकिन ना नहीं यार, मतलब ये ना मेरा ये मानना है कि वेंचर फंडिंग का यूज यहीं पे होना चाहिए. टू बेसिकली प्ले शांतनु इन अ लूप मल्टीपल टाइम्स. एवरी टाइम यू प्ले द लूप, यू डू अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च, इटरेट इट अगेन, फिर से प्ले करो. अच्छा नहीं हुआ, जीरो बैक नहीं हुआ, फिर से प्रोडक्ट बनाओ, बस तब तक बनाते रहो.
करेक्ट. और आसान नहीं है यार ये जीरो कैक मार्केटिंग. मतलब प्रोडक्ट में दम होना चाहिए और उस प्राइस पे वो तुमको देना चाहिए 60% ग्रॉस मार्जिन. एवरीथिंग हैज टू
Yeah,
फॉलो.
50. No,
50%
could be 30, 40 also.
50. No, I believe in 50% gross margin fundamentally, because if your CAC is zero, you can afford 50% gross margin ना. यार ये मैं बता रहा हूँ, जैसे ये मतलब जैसे हल्दीराम की बात करते हैं हम लोग, राइट? अब ये बताओ कि किसने हल्दीराम का होर्डिंग देखा है? Who is the brand ambassador of हल्दीराम, right? Where have you seen advertisement of Haldiram? Right? Of course, they have a good board because they choose good location. They can afford good location. That's about it. Right? तो ये zero CAC है, and you can actually be a $10 billion business with zero CAC. तो बन सकता है शांतनु. And I think I don't know how much the Haldiram का gross margin is, but it definitely is not like the highest in the industry. Probably the lowest in the industry. I feel.
Anand, one more thing, I know you have had views around Bharat. भारत के लिए बनाना चाहिए. And how are you seeing this AI wave coming in, impact on India to audience? We discussed about क्या digital dopamine और बढ़ने वाला है, लोगों के पास और काम होने वाला है. What should India be investing? Any views there?
Hey, thanks for asking this question, Chirag. Just a hypothesis. I'm not because very difficult to predict technology, right? But I feel that there are two challenges in adoption of software in the third world, right? Let's say India too, or Africa, or Latin America, or all of these countries. One of them is pricing, right? We talked about pricing and margins and all of that. The second problem is ease of use. Bulk of the software made in Valley, made by us, people like us, is assuming a lot of given. of कि ये इसको आता ही होगा कि हर सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर ना टॉप लेफ्ट के अंदर एक ड्रॉप डाउन बार होता है जहाँ पे सब कुछ मेनू खुल जाता है. ये आपको मेरे को पता है, पर नॉर्मल आदमी को नहीं पता है. ये आपने अज्यूम कर लिया है. हर टॉप बार पे राइट के अंदर एक क्रॉस बटन है, उसको बंद कर दिया तो सॉफ्टवेयर बंद हो जाएगा. पता है क्या करते हैं लोग? पीपल गो टू ऐप स्टोर, डू अ वॉइस सर्च, एंड गूगल मेक्स अ ऐप डाउनलोड इंस्टेड ऑफ डायरेक्टिंग टू सर्च रिजल्ट. उसको ना ट्रेन का टाइम पता करना है तो उसको ऐप डाउनलोड करवाती है पहले गूगल, और वो ऐप डाउनलोड करता है. उसको पता नहीं आता कि ऐप को बंद कैसे करूँ, तो वो बेचारा जाके ऐप को अनइंस्टॉल करने जाता है कि मेरा काम हो गया, मैं अनइंस्टॉल करता हूँ उसको. आप समझ रहे हो? तो ये लोग हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी अज्यूम्ड, everybody assumed, even Facebook assumed कि everybody in the world will have an email address. तो फेसबुक मैसेंजर
Oh.
विच वॉज अ प्रीकर्सर टू व्हाट्सएप, राइट? तो क्या किया फेसबुक ने, बोला कि भाई जिसका ईमेल है वो सब आ जाओ, तो आगे सारे एवरीबडी हु हैड एन ईमेल वाज ऑन फेसबुक मैसेंजर ऑलरेडी, बट रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड विच वाज बल्क ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एक्चुअली वेंट टू व्हाट्सएप बिकॉज व्हाट्सएप सेड फोन पे कर लो, फोन नंबर पे, खत्म, वो गेम खत्म हो गया. I would say that was the only difference between WhatsApp and Facebook. Fundamentally, if you look at it, तो WhatsApp was because you didn't need to have an email ID. Now just imagine, इंडिया में आज भी आप अगर नए एंड्रॉइड यूजर हो फर्स्ट टाइम, तो गूगल विल फोर्सिबली मेक एन ईमेल आईडी फॉर यू, चिराग तनेजा 123. हाँ, बिकॉज वो ये प्रॉब्लम. तो मेरा ये मानना है कि एआई जो है, एआई विल ब्रिज दिस अडॉप्शन डिवाइड, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, पीपल नॉट नोइंग व्हाट लॉजिकल सर्च रिजल्ट टू मेक. यार नहीं आता है सर्च ना, मतलब आप मेरी बात सुनो, गूगल सर्च करने के लिए आपको दिमाग चाहिए होता है. यू नीड टू पुट 3-4 लॉजिकल वर्ड्स, यू नीड टू हैव गुड इंग्लिश, गुड स्पेलिंग, एंड देन गूगल विल गिव अ गुड रिजल्ट. बट एआई विल ब्रिज द डिवाइड कि भाई एवरीबडी कैन यूज गूगल फॉर सर्चिंग, everybody can use something or the other. AI will take your accent, your language, your incomplete instruction, understand your context and intent, and actually give you a right answer. वो आएगा. So AI can actually be the real bridge in, like for example, I'll give you one example of a company. We have this company called Pagarbook. Right? Pagarbook does payroll, custom payroll mechanism for every industry. Like if you're a tailoring shop, you pay the people per hour also, and incentive per unit stitched also. So you pay both two angles, right? तो आपको कैलकुलेट करना होता है कि ये बंदा है, इसका पर आवर इतना है, इसका पर पीस इतना है. तो अब वो ना इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाता है फार्मूला, बिकम सो कॉम्प्लेक्स टू फॉर द पर्सन टू गो एंड चेंज द सॉफ्टवेयर. बट इफ ही वाज एबल टू गिव वॉइस इंस्ट्रक्शन, आई एम ऑनबोर्डिंग चिराग तनेजा, चिराग विल गेट 100 rupees an hour plus another 50 rupees per shirt stitched. Okay, if this is how I give my instructions, that's it. I don't need to know the software complexity, कहाँ पे जाकर ड्रॉप डाउन बटन होगा, ये वो जरूरत ही नहीं है मुझे. अगर मैं ये एआई के लेयर से सॉफ्टवेयर को यूज करना इजी बना दूं, अडॉप्शन इजी बना दूं, इनपुट आउटपुट इजी बना दूं, तो बहुत चलेगा सॉफ्टवेयर. अब देखो फिर तो मतलब यार सॉफ्टवेयर की जरूरत तो हम लोगों को है.
इंटरेस्टिंग ऑल्दो मेरा थोड़ा सा इसमें एटलीस्ट आई हैव हैड अ डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस दैट यूजिंग these chat GPT etc tools, unless you are saying they are going to be different, even more better interfaces which will be built.
Yes.
Because current वाले में तो मुझे लगता है it requires even more intelligence. My hypothesis is if 10 million people were good at doing Google search, 1 million people only can do chat GPT.
Very well said, boss. Fantastic insight. आप ठीक बोल रहे हो. You need to be even more intelligent to type a prompt in ChatGPT. सही बोला.
क्योंकि वो इतना अच्छा crafted answer देता है, लगता है अच्छा है. But if you have not given him full context, it just
भाई झूठ बोलता है यार, झूठ बोलता है यार. मैंने तो it blatantly lies, so I had to tell, and you can't make it out. मैंने उस दिन I uploaded a WhatsApp archive chat, text chat. Okay, it was like maybe few 100,000 lines of chat. Okay, so you can't read it yourself. I was, tell me the tenor of this chat, what is the percentage of share of voice of this person versus that person. ये सब मैं कर रहा था उसके साथ just to see. And then it was basically leadership chat of our company. Like how often has this person disagreed with this person, for example. Good stuff. Huh? Suddenly, the one thing, Shantanu once had a big disagreement with Deepak about, I like, क्या झूठ बोल रहा है? First of all, this is lie, because I know this is not true. So now you please go back and tell me all the stuff that is true and not. Then it changed its answers.
I changed. No, correct. So if you keep prompting, he will say, "Acha, oh, you got it right."
So I was like, everything else is fine. I can't do it, etc.
That's why the world is moving to fact checking now. कि भाई बाकी सब तो AI है, fact checking is going to be more important.
I think we are very early days of what to do with AI, particularly in India. But yeah, I agree with you, Chiraki. As of now, so the intelligence required is much higher. And by the way, the answers in English, like seriously, who wants those things, right? मतलब क्या करेंगे, मतलब सामान्य आदमी क्या करेगा उससे? और ChatGPT से कुछ कोई लेना देना नहीं है, लेकिन you can automate, right? I mean, for example, software which today is about clicks and buttons and arrows, all of that can become voice and text commands. So that probably can be like a first easy implementation कि यार everything is voice driven. जो हम लोग for example Siri से करना चाहते थे, मतलब 10 साल से, that can probably become real for the masses also today.
Wow.
Outstanding. Yeah.
But yeah, this is an outstanding episode. Like I think richness of examples, and I love the way it started with the myths and what is real. A lot of those myths, by the way, I used to like subconsciously believe them to be true.
यार शांतनु, मेरा पूरा पोर्टफोलियो में 90% पोर्टफोलियो IITians, राइट? नाउ आई एम एक्चुअली लाइक, वो बोले कि अच्छा ये किसका इंडिया क्वेश्चन का पोर्टफोलियो एनालिसिस किया, क्या किया बोला. Not only that, so by the way, look at my hack. I have mapped every IIT and we have at least one kid or one partner from every IIT. मैंने किसी को नहीं छोड़ा.
Wow.
तो ये एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम है कि हमारा व्यू ही ऐसा है. मतलब क्या करोगे, मतलब आप देखो, हमको तो पैसा तो कमाना है. एंड माय लॉजिक इज दिस कि इफ माय कंपनीज डाई, राइट, so I still fund IITs as a preference because the company and the idea has to be alive, no? They have a much higher chance of getting funded, right? You can't really fund ideas which
You have
die.
to play the game.
Yeah, you have to play the game.
Because
Yeah, you have to play the game.
It's
You have
not
to
a
play the
proxy,
game.
yaar. Yeah. It's not a pedigree, Anand. It's a proxy for excellence. Like end of the day, ना किसी ने मेहनत करके जेई क्रैक मारा है, मतलब कुछ तो होगा ना यार. मतलब
तो ये जो आप सही बोल रहे हो, लेकिन पिछले 10 साल में इतना एंटाइटलमेंट हो गया है ना कि सैडली it is now actually a negative signal for me, right? I mean, now just an IITian is not enough for us. It's a good proxy of intelligence, and also, for example, ability to hire talent and all of that. It comes with a lot of advantages. Ambition also, for example, but also a lot of entitlement. So अब हमारा entitlement check ज़्यादा होने लग गया है. Now we want to know कि who are your friends, where they're working, all of that, right? And how will you think? How will your thinking change when you raise $10 million? You know, will you want to take a 20 million exit in your 50 million raise? वो सब फिर हमको देखना पड़ता है आजकल. ये रेवंत को पूछो, Rebel Foods 14-year-old company, how much money has the founder taken out? पूछो उसको.
yeah, because,
Negligible.
I had half the struggle. यार, as CFO, I would be asked कि सैलरी क्यों नहीं बढ़ रही है. I'm like, भाई पैसे नहीं है और स्ट्रगल है, चलो करते रहो करके. Like it was not just the founder, even the team was always fighting with me कि यार
हमेशा होता
तू
है
भी
क्या?
गरीब रह रहे हैं. Overheard cafeteria, okay. And then I went and said कि भाई बताओ, तो सब डर गए. नहीं बताओ क्या है. And they were like very open. They were यार, we don't pay great salaries. I'm like, why do you think so? Like, you know, in the overall segment, we are in the top quartile. No, maybe not top decile, we are in top quartile. Yeah, but we are a bigger company and we can afford to pay. I'm like, यार ये कहाँ से आता है? Like P&L मैंने देखा है यार. Like you don't even have the full view of the P&L, but because there is, let's say, a lot of noise around and somebody calls from outside and says, तुम लोग अच्छा कर रहे हो. Oh, then maybe I'm not getting my due. So there's this unfortunate perception versus reality gap on, and I don't understand why that still exists when every day a news article comes out, FY24 revenues, देखो सब लॉस में है. शार्क टैंक के सारे जजेस देखो सारी कंपनी लॉस में है. अरे भाई किधर है पैसा देने के लिए? मतलब मेरे को तो समझ ही नहीं रहा है कि मतलब 15% EBITDA कर रहे थे और मैं कौन सा घर लेके जा रहा हूँ यार. मतलब देयर इज अ शेयर होल्डर बेस हु इज ऑल क्वेश्चनिंग कि जो 400 करोड़ लॉस किया पहले वो तो रिकवर करो. मतलब उसके
आज ही मेरे सीएफओ को मैसेज भेजा कि यार दोस्त 1.5 साल से एडवांस टैक्स में ठुक गया यार. 15 मार्च का एडवांस टैक्स. आई जस्ट लाइक लिक्विडिटी नहीं है. तो मैंने उसको बोला यार देख 2 साल से रीइंबर्समेंट नहीं किया. मेरे को बोलता है कि यार एसडी तो FY24 का रीइंबर्समेंट अभी कैसे करेंगे, नहीं हो पाएगा.
बराबर है. ही इज राइट. कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस बॉस.
पूरे बोले सब चूस लो अक्रॉस द बोर्ड. सरकार भी, खुद का सीएफओ भी, सब लोग. एंटरप्रेन्योर का जर्नी है.
यार ये ना, लेकिन मतलब this is what all in is, right? I mean, you need to be all in. I can tell you, Shantanu,
Yeah.
you know, one metric of success. So I'll give you an example. This was probably 2016 or 17. Paytm is already a massive company by that time. Vijay Shikhar gets down from the airport and takes a old Desire, okay, and goes to the venue for, and Vijay and I thought कि he'll have a fancy car, तो मैं उसकी गाड़ी में चला जाऊंगा. तो हम लोग इंडिका में बैठे, डिजायर में बैठे और एयरपोर्ट से नरिमन पॉइंट गए हम लोग. मैंने बोला यार क्या विजय, मतलब क्या गाड़ी है? बोले नहीं मैं तो ये गाड़ी लेता हूँ हमेशा. I have had founders of unicorn companies come to my home in Uber and then say कि अच्छा तू जा ही रहा है तो मेरे को छोड़ देना. मतलब ये तो मतलब and the people who are traveling, right? So of course they can always like take a fancy limo from their hotel, Marriott or wherever, but people are like by nature frugal, na, because they want to set an example of if this is what I do and this is what my companies will do, na, मतलब so my people will do. So वो example
Also
में,
by design, by design, if your company is making 15% EBITDA, you have to. But I think the converse is also true that if I see most companies making 15% EBITDA, they have done it not just with 50% gross margin and maybe very low CAC or next to zero CAC, but also not needing a lot of people. So by design, if that's your business model, you will not need a lot of people also. Like I'm sure all the examples you gave don't have bloated
No, I have
500,000 member
theory.
teams.
रेवंत मेरा theory है कि टेक ब्रो ओवरहेड है एक बेंगलोर के अंदर, खास करके बॉम्बे में थोड़ा कम है और दिल्ली में और भी कम है. There is this tech bro overhead, and this tech bro overhead is 10% extra cost, 10% of GMV. जितना भी GMV है आप, right? उसका 10% टेक ब्रो में घुस जाता है, यूजलेस कॉस्ट है. This is basically people pretending to be
Anand suddenly
This is-
corrected 10% of GMV.
10% of GMV. Whatever
मेरे
the
को लगा
number is.
बोले कि 10% of fixed cost हो.
हाँ, 10% of GMV is tech bro overhead. वो बेसिकली क्या है कि somehow tech bros think कि first I will start the business minus 20% of GMV, and then as I go to minus 10, I am trending to be profitable. तो मेरी और फंडिंग होगी, आप समझ रहे हो? तो फर्स्ट आई वाज सेलिंग अ रुपी, तो -20 से -10 इज सपोज टू बी प्रॉफिटेबल हो रहा है ना? हो रहा, ऑफ कोर्स हो रहा है, लेकिन है नहीं ना, मतलब. तो टेक ब्रो ओवरहेड का बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. आई फील कि फॉर एग्जांपल ब्रांड्स pretending to be tech companies, they can't be tech companies ना. See, tech bro is a useful thing in a SaaS business जहाँ पे by design 80-90% business revenue margin होता था by design, right? तो वहाँ पे tech bro overhead unlimited है. तो it doesn't matter how much you are spending in a SaaS business. It's okay to pay high salary, spend a lot of money, but brands are whatever you are spending on the overhead, you're passing on to the customer ना. तो वहाँ margin तो है नहीं.
Yeah.
तो brand companies need to behave like brand companies. For example, this company
Yeah.
called Manyavar, right? You know, for example, all the brand companies who want to work out of like, you know, fancy offices in Bombay and all of that, नहीं होना चाहिए. मतलब आपको ब्रांड खोलना है तो कलकत्ता में खोलो. और मान्यवर कलकत्ता में है, वो इसीलिए प्रॉफिटेबल है. वो अगर कलकत्ता से बाहर निकल करके मुंबई में करेगा तो खत्म हो जाएगा मार्जिन पूरा.
मैं यही क्लिप दिखाने वाला हूँ आनंद मेरे टीम को कि देखो इसलिए हम खाने में हैं.
No, I think Revan, by the way, it's an amazing move. It's an amazing move.
Revan, amazing move. The best companies in Delhi are in Noida, by the way. If you take India Mart and all, वो नोएडा की ऐसी जगह पे आप पहुंच नहीं पाओगे, वहां पे इतनी दूर है. मतलब half the way to Lucknow.
It's too expensive otherwise. Like
Yeah.
even for my team, like I realized that the team's ask on salary is very fair if the cost of living goes up. The only
Yes.
way to reduce cost of living is go a little outside the city because Bombay is too
Yes.
expensive. And I don't wish them to stay in a shared bedroom paying 25,000. I mean, they are much better off staying in a nice 1 BHK, having a nice house help coming in at the same cost and actually walking to work sometimes. Right? So,
It's true. That's true.
I think वो थोड़ा सा,
Good
I think
move.
you're right. The status signaling of being in the fancy
Indira Nagar.
area
Yeah.
sometimes does
Yeah,
end up.
so we are solving, as a founder, we end up solving for our lifestyle, right? I mean, like, for example, I need to be in Indira Nagar because, again, I mean, that's the hub of all the VCs and all. But because we don't have a manpower cost problem, right? मतलब हमारा तो क्या ही खर्च होता है. But जहाँ पे manpower है तो नहीं होना चाहिए. And actually, by the way, you also don't need a brand company to be full of expensive people, right? I mean, it doesn't need to be. You don't need to. Everybody doesn't need to be coming from a startup and all that. Right? Like, if you look at like the best companies, they hire MBAs but never hire from a tier 1, like, you know, or they'll prefer like a Symbiosis or SPJ.
Actually, we love to hire. We love to hire a tier 1. The problem is because the tier 1 is now tasted a McKinsey or a Unilever or a Amazon salary. For them to accept any other way of life becomes very hard. It's not their fault.
Yeah.
I mean, they're like, yeah, the market is paying us this,
नहीं,
and
but
then it's very hard.
frankly, Revan, I think management cadre of high level, right? 10-15% management cadre of high level, like a 60 lakh per year employee, can easily pull more weight than 5-15 lakh per year employees at a strategic
The
level.
problem
You need
is,
some
Shantanu-
small, you need a small amount of those.
You small amount of problem
I have a
is
formula there. If you look at all of these companies, including Asian Paints or you know, they did hire some people from IIMs, but most of their cadre is built from non-IIM people, right? And those
Sales
people
heavy org है ना आनंद, sales heavy है ये.
हाँ, तो आप लेकिन ना आपको अगर फ्रेशर पे लेके आ रहे हो, अगर if you build a cadre of freshers and then expect the younger kids to do it, you can't do lateral hires, right? So sort of what Rebel did with people like Revant, right? And I'm sure Revant is doing the same thing with his company. That is a better way. मतलब that
the
manpower-
only formula I've changed, Anand, is post MBA बहुत मुश्किल हो गया मेरे लिए to do that EIR program manager
Engineer लेके
chief
आओ,
of staff program.
engineer लेके आओ.
मैं प्री MBA कर रहा हूँ मैं तो
हाँ,
क्योंकि
engineers मिलेंगे आपको. You
क्या
get
होगा
good IQ.
इंजीनियरिंग MBA फीस इतनी हो गई है बेचारे लोन में डूबे हुए हैं. फिर
No, it's a good move.
उनको अच्छी
Revant.
तनख्वाह चाहिए.
Yeah. आप engineers आपको अच्छे IQ के मिल जाते हैं. Lot of engineers are dropping out of the MBA track now. They are saying it's a waste.
They have to. It's.
Yeah.
I mean, not just engineers. I'm okay with liberal arts, BCom, anything is fine. तुम्हें agency honi chahiye. Agency is the only thing we look for. But I'm
So
seeing this.
we used to
most
do this
MBAs
thing.
when-
This formula that Rebel used was from our previous startup, Brain Visa, where we all worked together.
Yeah.
The formula was you take an IQ test of anybody, whatever the degree is, right? You BCom, BA, कुछ भी मत उसको, right? और IQ test लो, उसका IQ test अच्छा होना चाहिए, और इंग्लिश खराब होनी चाहिए. तो हमारा फॉर्मूला ये था कि अंग्रेजी बोलनी नहीं आनी चाहिए, और IQ बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. तो वो कभी जाएगा नहीं, उसका इंटरव्यू कभी क्लियर नहीं होगा.
Interesting.
तो
Yeah.
बढ़िया बढ़िया